Alright, so in this quick video, I'm just going to go over the angle pairs that I have listed on page 8 in your notes packet. So I'm just doing the pictures on a whiteboard, but it's the same exact diagram that you have. So this first one here in the top left, what we have here are three straight lines intersecting. Okay, anytime you have lines, straight lines that intersect, you have angles that are formed. So three lines intersecting, I have 6 angles that are formed, and I have 3 pairs of vertical angles. So angles across from each other in the diagram are vertical angles, okay, directly across from each other. They're like mirror images, all right? So this is a pair of vertical angles, and vertical angles are always congruent. Now, congruent is one of our vocab words from that first page of our packet. Just means that they're the same measure. They're exactly the same. They're equal. All right? So your equation here, now that I'm running out of space on this whiteboard, would simply be 76 equals 3x plus 1. There it is. Your geometry part is done once you set up your equation, and now you're just solving for x. So if you work it out, you get x equals 25. Okay? So that's the first one. Vertical angles right across from each other in the diagram. Look for the x. I always say look for the x. They're congruent. Okay. We'll go bottom left. Now this right angle, this box that you see marked here, which I just gave it away, means it's a right angle. You should always be on the lookout for them. They're important. That's just like communicating to you that, hey, this angle is 90 degrees. So the box means 90 degrees. It's a complementary, these are complementary angles, okay? So if you want to jot that down, this is the term I would expect to hear from you now that we're in high school geometry. We only use the fancy official terms, so I mean, right angle is correct, but complementary sounds better. So if this is 56 degrees and this is 3x plus 7, together these angles make a right angle. So our equation to solve for x would just be 56 plus 3x plus 7 equals 90. So there's your equation. Your geometry part is done. So use your algebra to solve. Feel free to pause the video. You should end up with x equals 9. Okay? So complementary means a 90-degree angle. That's what happens when we see the box. Alright, our last angle pair of the day. Let's just draw this diagram. So I know that there's also like another line here creating a triangle, but I'm just going to ignore that for now. So these two angles here that we have, together they make a straight line. Alright, so they would be called a linear pair. Okay, or supplementary angles. Both of these terms mean the same thing. They're angles that add up to 180 degrees, right? A straight line is 180 degrees. So your equation, I know this will be shocking to you, but 5x plus 2 plus 63 equals 180. There it is. You see a straight line, 180 degrees. Use your algebra to solve for x. Pause the video. Boop, 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 boop. You should get x equals 23. So that's it. Those are the vocab words that you need to know. Those are the angles that you need to recognize. And the problems that correspond to this lesson are on pages 9 to 13 in your tan packet. Thanks for watching.